Today, we're diving into the 5 major themes that run through all of biology. These aren't just random facts, they're the rules life plays by. If biology were a game, these would be the cheat codes. First up is evolution, the Beyoncé of biology. It's the big idea behind why giraffes have long necks, birds have hollow bones, and you share DNA with a banana. It's not about perfection, just survival and reproduction. Darwin's finches nailed this. Same ancestor, different beaks, different diets. Evolution explains both the unity and diversity of life. Next, the flow of energy. Life runs on fuel. Plants turn sunlight into sugar, herbivores eat the plants, carnivores eat them, and somewhere along the way, humans throw it all on a grill. Energy moves in one direction and gets lost as heat along the way. Matter recycles, energy doesn't. So life is always hustling for its next charge. Life isn't just survival of the fittest, it's teamwork. Your body hosts trillions of microbes that help digest food, make vitamins, and boost your mood. Even your cells, muscle, nerve, immune, all work like departments in a company. Coral and algae, partners in reef crime. Bottom line, biology thrives on collabs. Up next, structure determines function. In biology, form equals job description. Red blood cells are squishy discs so they can squeeze through vessels. Neurons look like wires for a reason, fast signals. DNA's iconic shape? That's what makes it so good at storing and copying information. Finally, we've got homeostasis, your body's internal thermostat, pH monitor, and sugar level bouncer all in one. You sweat, you shiver, your pancreas micromanages your blood sugar, all without you thinking about it. It's your built-in survival mode. When it fails, things fall apart fast.